How's it going? I'm Barnett. I'm the financial planning specialist here at Wiser Wealth Management. Just going to take some time today to discuss the 2022 changes from the IRS. The traditional IRA income phase-out levels for 2022 have changed. They are now $68,000 to $78,000 for single taxpayers covered by a retirement work plan like a 401k. They've also increased from $109,000 to $129,000 for married couples filing jointly. And then for when a taxpayer is not covered but has a spouse who is covered, that income limit has changed from $204,000 all the way up to $214,000. It's also increased with married filing separate up to $10,000 when a spouse is covered by a workplace plan. So those are the traditional IRA phase-out limits. The Roth IRA income limits have also increased. So this would be meaning if your income is above these thresholds that you're no longer able to contribute to a Roth IRA, which can be significant now that they're trying to get rid of the backdoor Roth IRA as well for 2022. But the Roth IRA phase-out has increased from $129,000 to $144,000 for single individuals, and it's increased from $204,000 to $214,000 for those married filing jointly. That is a pretty big income gap there. We see a lot of clients that are kind of around that threshold, so they might still be able to contribute to a Roth IRA moving forward in 2022. There are also some changes to retirement plans. So unfortunately for Roths and traditional IRAs, they did not increase the amount that you can contribute to those. So that would still be $6,000 for individuals under age 50, and then there'd be a $1,000 catch up for those over 50. So they'd be able to do $7,000. So unfortunately that has not increased. For plans like 401ks, 403bs, the employee contribution will be increased next year from $19,500 to $20,500. So there'll be a $1,000 increase there. Also, the annual contribution limit will be increased from $58,000, which would be the max that you're allowed to contribute for employee plus match, any profit sharing, will increase from $58,000 up to $61,000. So those are the changes with those plans. Like I mentioned, unfortunately, IRAs and Roth, the limit has not changed. But for simple IRAs, it has increased slightly from $13,500 to $14,000, and there's still the $3,000 catch up over age 50. So not huge changes here, but there are a little bit of changes here for the deductibility of IRAs and contribution IRAs, as well as contributions to Roths, and then a slight increase to what you contribute to 401k plans and 403b and other retirement plans. If you have any questions on how this relates to you and how you can take advantage of this, feel free to reach out to us or go to our website at wiserinvestor.com or to our YouTube channel, Wiser Investor, to learn more. Thank you.